Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove picture watermark only from first page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove watermark from first page. Go to the first page and go to layout menu. Then select the breaks option, choose continuous. Then go back the insert menu, click header option, choose blank header. Then go to the second page and click link to previous. Then go to the first page, click the picture and delete it. Then close header and footer. Then we can see we remove picture watermark only from the first page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.